Nike is gearing up to release the Air Max 95 Taxi for holiday 2025, a striking sneaker that channels speed and energy with its bold black and yellow design. The shoe ditches the classic gradient layers for a sleek tonal yellow upper, contrasted by black detailing on the midsole, tongue, lining, and lacing system. This colorway draws natural comparisons to New York City's iconic taxi cabs, even though no official connection exists, and builds on the popularity of similar black and yellow combinations seen in both the Air Max 95 OG and Corteiz's recent honey black collaboration. Anticipation is already running high, with sneaker fans viewing this release as one of the standout drops of the year. Retailing at $190, the Taxi will be available through Nike.com and select partners in late 2025, blending cultural recognition with street-ready appeal.